Step 1. Choosing a research topic. The first step to writing a great research paper is choosing the right topic. The ideal research topic should be specific enough to be deeply explored, but broad enough to have existing literature. If you're stuck, think about issues or gaps in your field that interest you. Review previous research and discuss ideas with your peers or professors. Make sure the topic aligns with your skills, interests, and available resources. Once you have a topic, refine it into a research question that guides your study. Step 2. Conducting a literature review. After choosing your topic, the next step is conducting a literature review. The goal is to understand the existing research in your field and identify any gaps that your study could fill. Start by searching for academic papers using tools like Google Scholar or PubMed. Read abstracts to filter out irrelevant studies and organize useful sources using a reference management tool like Mendeley. Make notes on recurring themes or contradictions, as these will help shape your argument later on. Step 3. Structure your paper. Once you've gathered enough research, it's time to structure your paper. A typical research paper follows a specific format: abstract, introduction, methodology, discussion, and conclusion. The structure helps readers follow your argument and understand the flow of information. Each section has a purpose. Your introduction provides background, methodology explains how you did the study, results present your findings, and the discussion interprets the results. The conclusion summarizes the key takeaways. Step 4. Write the introduction. The introduction is where you set the stage for your research. Start with some background information on your topic and gradually narrow it down to a specific research question. The introduction should also explain why the topic is important and what gaps your research will fill. Make sure to clearly state your objectives and hypotheses. Keep this section engaging but concise. Step 5. Write the methodology. In the methodology section, you explain how you conducted your study, describe your experimental designs, the materials you used, and the procedures you followed. Be specific so that others can replicate your work. Make sure to include details like sample sizes, measurement tools, and statistical methods used to analyze your data. Step 6. Present the results. The results section is where you present your findings. Use tables, graphs, and figures to make your data clear and accessible. Be objective and stick to the facts. Interpretation comes later in the discussion section. Each figure or table should have a caption that briefly explains what the data shows. Step 7. Write the discussion. In the discussion section, you interpret your results and explain their significance. Compare your findings with previous studies, identify any trends, and discuss the implications of your research. Be honest about any limitations in your study. Suggest future directions for research based on your findings. Step 8. Conclusion and abstract. In the conclusion, summarize key findings and their implications. Make sure to tie everything back to your original research question. The abstract is a brief summary of your entire paper, including the objective, methods, results, and conclusion. Keep it concise but informative. Step 9. Citations and references. Properly citing your sources is crucial in academic writing. Use citation tools like Mendeley to manage your references. Be sure to follow the style guide required by your journal, whether it's APA, MLA, or Chicago. Consistent and correct citations also add credibility to your paper. Step 10. Final proofreading. Before submitting your paper, always proofread it thoroughly. Check for grammar mistakes, clarity, and consistency in formatting. You can use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway to catch any errors. The final step ensures your paper is professional and polished. And then you're ready to submit your paper.